2023 CR 6424, State of Texas versus Jose Gonzalez Jr. Could I have parties announced for the record for the state?
Andrew Harris-Sandler.
Defense?
David Rodriguez for Jose Gonzalez Jr.
Are you Mr. Gonzalez?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you review the document entitled Motion to Revoke Community Supervision and First Amendment Motion to Revoke Community Supervision with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, Your Honor.
Are you the same Jose Gonzalez Jr. who was placed on community supervision in 2023 CR 6424 for the offense of unauthorized use of a vehicle on September 29, 2023 for a term of 2 years? Is that you?
Yes, Your Honor.
State, which allegations are you proceeding on?
I believe it is violation of condition number 4, Your Honor, failure to report.
All right. The state is alleging that in Bexar County, Texas, the defendant Jose Gonzalez Jr. did then and there fail to report to the supervision officer as directed for the months of November and December 2023 in violation of condition number 4. To that violation, how do you plead? True or not true?
True.
There are 2 number 4s. Are you proceeding on the amended as well?
No, Your Honor.
All right. And with regards to the other violations, state, do you waive those violations? Any objection?
No objection, Your Honor.
All right, Mr. Gonzalez, did you understand by pleading true to violation of condition number 4, court could find it true, grant the motion, and sentence you up to 2 years in the state jail facility and up to a $1,500 fine?
Yes, Your Honor.
Knowing that, do you still wish to plead true to violation of condition number 4?
Yes, Your Honor.
Court will find violation of condition number 4 true. Could y'all please not talk behind the court reporter while we're on the record? All right, the court will find violation of condition number 4 true. Is there a proposed agreement?
Yes, sir.
And what is the proposed agreement?
Supervision that says punishment and confinement of 6 months, Your Honor. And state will take into consideration and dismiss grand jury number 822304.
I'm sorry, 822.
304.
And what is that alleged offense?
Possession of controlled substance PG2 less than a gram.
All right, and probation?
Your Honor, probation is recommending treatment with our substance abuse treatment facility that would provide the probationer treatment and education in his thinking errors related to his substance abuse, and will help probationer identify underlying factors of the ongoing use of substance abuse. His last
Right away, this is a probation revocation hearing, not a new trial. That means the bar is way lower for the state. They don't have to prove guilt beyond a reasonable doubt, just that he violated the rules, and even one violation is enough to send him to jail. This is already a dangerous position for the defendant.
report date was October 4th of 2023. We did make attempts to call him by phone and email. He has his last drug test, I believe, it's showing October 16th of 2023, positive for marijuana. He has not made any payment towards probation, and he has not completed any programs that were ordered, the TAP parenting class. And I'm seeing he was ordered a gang evaluation and it's showing incomplete.
All right. So I'm not going to give you 6 months. That's the minimum. You have done nothing. What have you done while you've been on probation to deserve the minimum?
No, I was doing the parenting.
All right, you're going to raise your right hand for me. Do you solemnly swear or affirm the testimony you give will be the truth and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
That one word true is massive. He just admitted the violation himself. No witnesses, no evidence needed. In legal terms, she basically handed the judge the keys to his future. Question for you: would you ever plead true without a deal already locked in?
Yes, sir.
All right, you can lower your hand, state your name for the record.
Jose Gonzalez.
All right, what would you like to say?
Yeah, I was doing the parenting classes, but I didn't finish it because I got fired. Oh, I got unemployed, and then my wife kicked me out into the streets, so I was homeless and I didn't have nowhere to go. So I had no job, no money, no nothing.
All right, so you're telling me your wife, who obviously loved you to take you back in, even though you had criminal charges,
No,
she put you out because you were unemployed.
She was her boyfriend. Her boyfriend didn't want me to stay there.
Oh, well, I understand that. I mean, she
Yeah,
has a
that's why-
boyfriend, but she's letting you live there too?
Exactly. That's why she kicked me out the street because her boyfriend didn't want me to stay there with her.
Okay, I mean, I hope you understand that.
But I had to be staying there because I was on probation and that's where my address was.
But you understand why, if she's in a relationship with somebody else,
Yeah,
why?
she said I could stay there with her. And then when I got out, she wanted to.
This is where things get strategic. The state is offering to dismiss a separate drug case if he takes the 6 months. That's leverage and also a warning. Judges often look at that and think you're already getting a break, so why should I go easier?
To mess up my probation, so she knew I didn't have nowhere to stay, so she knew I'll go to the streets, and I had no.
All you had to do was come back to court and say, I have no place to stay.
Yeah, well, I didn't have no court date at that time.
No, I tell everyone, if there's an issue with probation and you cannot get in touch with probation, we are here Monday through Friday, except on holidays and weekends. And I know I told you, all you had to do was come into court and say, Judge, I just been kicked out. And if you would have told me that was your living situation, I would have told you, I don't see how that's going to work.
I wasn't thinking. Oh, she had told me I could go stay with her, but her boyfriend. I didn't know she had a boyfriend. She said she was single.
Well, I think that would have been a very uncomfortable situation.
Yeah, I didn't. I wouldn't have said that I could go stay with her, but she liked me, so it was settled. She set me up for failure.
Well, no, you're an adult.
Because
You should have known.
I didn't know.
This is the worst possible report a probation officer can give. Missed reports, failed drug tests, no payments, no programs. From the judge's perspective, this looks like total non-compliance at this point. The 6-month deal is hanging by a thread.
She had a boyfriend,
Okay.
and she didn't want me there, so she said if I don't leave, she'd call cops.
All right.
So I left, and she knew I didn't have nowhere to stay.
You should have left and went straight to probation.
I didn't have a phone or nothing. And,
You should have left. You should have caught the VIA bus and went straight to probation, or either came straight downtown to this
I
courthouse.
wasn't thinking. I was
All right. So here's the thing. The bottom line is, I don't think 6 months is an appropriate sentence for you because you have not completed anything.
yeah. Well, she kicked me out the first month. I didn't get to complete nothing, but I was going to parenting classes.
Mhm.
That's it.
Okay. I understand. How old are you?
I'm 36. I'll be 35.
All right. So I don't think 6 months is an appropriate sentence. I'm going to give you a choice. I'm looking at the motion to revoke, and I'm looking at the allegations that are in the motion to revoke. You have done nothing. Here's your choice. You can either go to the state jail facility for a year, or you're going to inpatient treatment. Those are your choices.
I'll go in inpatient treatment.
All right. This is what the court, and that's what you all are recommending, inpatient, correct?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. The court is going to find violation of condition number 4 true. Court is going to deny the motion, alter and amend conditions to include the MRT and probation. Are you recommending SATA or SafeP?
SATA, Your Honor.
There's going to be SATA, and he's to remain in custody until transfer. We can do a referral to felony drug court as well. I don't know if they're going to accept him because I don't know if he's a gang member or not. Going to be extended for 1 year. And taking consideration grand jury number 822304. And the reason why I am following your agreement to take that into consideration is because they won't transfer him to any type of inpatient program or anywhere unless that case is no longer there. All right, is there anything else you need from the court?
This is the emotional core of the case. He is trying to explain real-life chaos, homelessness, job loss, relationship drama, but courts don't run on sympathy, they run on documentation. No proof, no contact, no reports. The system just sees silence.
All right, we can go off the record. State your excuse.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Here's the thing. I am here Monday through Friday, If for some reason, for medical issues, I'm not here, there's still the coordinator or another judge who will be here. Probation will be here. You can always come in and tell them the issues you are having. But what I will tell you, the only thing that you've successfully done since I last saw you is obtain more tattoos, which I have no problem with people having tattoos, but it's not good for employment because people are going to look at your tattoos.
And self-employed, like I could build houses, so I get my own jobs.
All right, so here's the thing. My advice to you, you can take it or not take it. Stop with all the facial tattoos unless you're planning to be a rapper, you're planning to work in the entertainment industry. And even then, sometimes they're going to want you to put on foundation to cover it all up. But you're walking into a business with that, people will see it and make certain assumptions. Me, I see it all the time. So I'm always interested in the different tattoos.
This is what judges call a judicial ultimatum: 1 year in state jail or inpatient treatment. It sounds like a choice, but legally it's more like pick the option that keeps you out of a cage. Most defendants never get this kind of second chance. Do you think rehab works better than jail, or is it just a softer punishment?